Now the skies lit up with the northern lights for the first time overnight. It's a true sign that autumn's here, isn't it? The winter knocking on the door. Matt,
stop! Not yet.
But look at that. It's worth it. It's worth it if we get pictures like that, Matt, isn't it? Stunning.
It is. You didn't need to mention the W word to go with it.
You went
one step ahead.
Yeah, exactly. We've only just gone into autumn. But yes, very good morning to you. The first widespread display across the UK this season, all the way from northern Scotland. This picture was taken in the Moray coast in the northeast. We also saw them in Northern Ireland, quite beautifully there, as you can see again on the north coast, and to parts of northeast England. These are the areas where it was at its strongest. Different colours indicate the different gases, that those charged particles which have come from the sun. More activity over the weekend, which has caused that. So the greens, the yellows and the reds, indication of oxygen in the atmosphere. The purples and the blues, more to do with nitrogen. And there could be some more aurora tonight, but I anticipate it just being a little bit more limited to parts of Scotland. Not quite as strong as display, I don't think, through the night ahead. Now, the reason we saw the plenty of views across the UK was the clear skies for many overnight. Now, those clear skies have meant sunshine this morning, but unfortunately that's not going to stay that way again. All right, we do need the rain, but the downpours have been fairly frequent over the past few days. More to come, and especially across the south. We've got a weather feature here which has been spreading in more persistent rain towards the Channel Islands, southwest England, South Wales. That is continuing to work its way northwards and eastwards. Notice only a few showers further north, but through the day, Midlands, Wales, East Anglia, the southeast corner, we're going to see it cloud over after a sunny start with the odd mist and fog patch first thing as those outbreaks of showery rain push its way northwards. It does mean the south coast will brighten up again, but there'll be some showers inland. Northern England, Scotland and Northern Ireland, though fewer showers compared with yesterday, a little bit more sunshine. Feel pleasant when the sun is out, a bit cool when the showers are with you, and those showers are quite frequent in the Highlands and Islands. Highs today in around the Moray coast, 22 degrees maybe, and the same too down some of these eastern coastal counties of England. Always feeling cooler though where those showers are falling. Into this evening and overnight we have showers to begin with. Turns quiet briefly, and then a more widespread area of rain will spread its way erratically across England, Wales, into Northern Ireland and southern Scotland. Now that's going to keep temperatures up across the southern half of the UK tonight, a milder night than recent nights, but with clear skies across Scotland. It is going to be a bit cool. A few mist and fog patches here with winds light. But this is the weather system that's with us tomorrow. Quite widespread across the UK. Strongest winds to the south of it. So be a blustery day across southern parts of England and Wales especially. Outbreaks of rain coming and going through England and Wales during the morning. Some heavy bursts working their way eastwards across the southern half of England in particular. And turning wetter in Northern Ireland, southern and eastern Scotland. To the far northwest of Scotland, pretty decent day here. Some sunny spells, fewer showers in recent days. Most will stay dry. Lighter winds too. But whilst it'll brighten up in the south with some sunny spells and a scattering of showers, this is where we see the strongest of the winds, 40, maybe 50 mile an hour gusts around southern counties of England into East Anglia. Your temperatures tomorrow, well, northern areas down on today, especially where you've got that rain. And then into Thursday. Thursday's almost a repeat of what we'll see today. Batch of cloud and rain spread from the southwest to northeast, probably a bit quicker, brightening up a little bit sooner through Thursday. Sunshine and showers for Scotland, Northern Ireland and parts of Northern England. Some of those on the heavy and thundery side, but it'll be a cooler day by and large. Temperatures for most will be in the teens. Watch what happens though in the charts as we go through towards the end of the week and weekend. High pressure towards the south and east of the country start to bring some southerly winds. Weather fronts pushing in from the west. The big question mark will be how quickly those weather fronts start to work their way in. But with that high pressure closer by, certainly on Friday, there'll be a lot more in the way of dry weather around. Some good sunny spells, only isolated showers. Feeling warmer too. Temperatures more widely into the high teens and low 20s. Saturday, we could notch them up a little bit further as well, especially across central and eastern areas. 23, 24 Celsius possible before rain arrives across Scotland and Northern Ireland through the day. And then into Sunday, we're going to see outbreaks of rain push their way eastwards. That's the key to how warm it will get across some eastern areas, is just how quickly that rain will spread its way eastwards. Don't forget, these are the forecasts for the capital cities across the country. Just quickly open the BBC Weather app, a quick swipe around on there, and you can find a forecast for just about anywhere in the UK and indeed for many areas across the world too. But certainly after lots of showers this week, John and Sally, things looking a little bit drier Friday and into the start of the weekend. Back to you both.
OK, so I won't use the W word again, Matt.
No. Day 2 of autumn.
You'll be mentioning the the Christmas word soon, won't you?
Don't say
No.
that one.
I tell you what, we have, Matt, just had a message from David, who took that amazing picture of the Northern Lights in Bonar Bridge that you showed earlier.
Oh, yes.
Because we were asking about how you take those pictures, whether you need a
Yes.
posh camera. And he said he did use a really good camera, but the Northern Lights were visible to his naked eye last night, and he said that you can equally just use an iPhone. So that's good, isn't it? You can capture it forever.
Just simply on your phone, honestly. I've done it myself. Only the really strong displays you can see visibly with the eyes. Sometimes they will look a little bit grey, but you pick out the colours with your phone. And then, as you said, you've got it for prosperity.
Oh, lovely stuff. Thank you.